Here we are in the atrium of the Gaylord National Harbor. The lower atrium level has like a park-like atmosphere, but up here you have the Belvedere Lounge. This is the check-in area over there, and then Old Hickory Steakhouse is over that way. But we'll work our way down into the atrium level. Down here on this level we have the key provisions and some more rooms. And here's a look at all the shows going on in the atrium. So it looks like this is the stage area. For the Christmas shows this evening, with a large Christmas tree above. And decided to come outside. We're looking at sunset here. Fountains are drained for the winter, but this beautiful tiered lawn overlooking Northern Virginia on the other side of the bridge. Come back in, and here's the directions to all the things going on tonight. And just to the right is the Potomac District Cafe and Market. So it looks like it might have some grab-and-go stuff, and the coffee bar for sure. And we'll roll back through this way, see what's going on up here. The convention center over here, this looks like the entrance to ICE and the Christmas Village. And here's the directions. Harbor Social looks like a big bar. This is bigger than I was expecting. It looks like a large sports bar type atmosphere here. And it looks like it's got some bowling alley, some bowling lane as well over here. Kind of a cool spot to hang out. Top here, we're back at the lobby entrance. Strictly First Class is a shop. Has a lot of high-end products and a few Gaylord National things. And some directions again. This is the escalator to the parking garage, as well as the concierge. And this will lead us to the check-in area here at Gaylord National. I think it has some, I've spotted some things already for the scavenger hunt that we may be doing later. So, but lots to do. You can see they have, photos with Santa, there's gingerbread decorating, there's bunches of stuff to do here at the Gaylord National for Christmas. And here's Gaylord National's gingerbread extravaganza. It's like a bunch of mythical houses built. Very cute. Finally, here's the Belvedere lobby bar. Overlooks the atrium area. Very nice area. Looks like a great place to relax and unwind. Much different than what we're used to in the Orlando area. This looks like a pure convention hotel designed to facilitate business and pleasure all at the same time. And here we are at Gaylord National Harbor. This is room 5024. Are you ready?
Come on in.
Surprise, surprise, you're at the Gaylord.
Yeah.
National Harbor, not the Palms.
Not the Palms.
That's a different area.
Yeah. Gaylord National Harbor.
Gaylord Opryland.
That's different also.
Oh, you wish.
In Washington, D.C.
Yes.
Or just outside of Washington, D.C., I guess.
Yes.
But anyway, welcome to our room. And immediately to the left, it looks like we've got a closet.
We do.
There's an ironing board and a luggage rack and a safe.
The safe is up there.
Iron, extra blankets.
Our jacket's hanging there. Right
Okay.
next to that.
A full-length mirror to check your fit.
Uh-huh.
Okay. There's a little beverage bar, coffee, tea, water, ice bucket.
The water came with the room. It is part of the deal.
This is not a beverage cooler, it's just shelves.
Oh.
Okay.
Then to the right.
To the right, you've got the bathroom. Nice double vanity. Pretty decent looking. Little, like, chip here or something.
There's a little chip underneath there.
But otherwise very nice and clean.
A big mirror.
Huge
Lots of
mirror.
light.
Into the bathroom. Nice shower. Glass door. Products on the wall. A seat. Lots of towels. A towel hook.
And the commode.
Very nice and spacious. All right. Then into the room.
Mm-hmm.
King size bed. Nightstands on either side of the bed.
It does in the plug situation. I think there's more on that. Oh no, there's some on both sides.
Yeah.
They're hidden back there.
And a couple plugs.
Behind the phone.
We've got the TV.
It looks like, I haven't explored the TV yet, but it looks pretty involved and there's a lot offered. The Netflix and the YouTube can be streamed right to it.
Right. We have the beverage cooler here.
There it is. It doesn't really come up. It's very dark. There it is.
There you go.
And two drawers.
And a shelf.
As part of staying here, we got a wristband. It entitles us to a couple things.
So we're going to do a little later. So much Christmas, because it is Christmas time. We've got a table and a chair for your office needs. More plugs and USBs.
Correct.
And then a nice chair. And a little side table. And then here's our view out into...
So the view looks out into National Harbor.
Yep.
And the Residence Inn across the street. And then a lot of restaurants and shops down here. And then as we pan to the left here, you'll get the...
You'll see the harbor.
The harbor. And then, if you really look, just beyond to the right...
There's a plane taking off.
The plane taking off, the airport. Hint, hint, wink, wink.
Yep.
But just over there is the Washington Monument.
Yep.
You can see it. So this is the Woodrow Wilson Bridge. It comes across the river. That's the Ferris wheel. The MGM Casino's on the other side over there. But yes, we did not get an atrium facing room. It was $100 more a night.
That's okay. I
For the
actually
view.
like the harbor view.
So
instead of
far,
the
A plus.
yeah, so far
A.
it's a very
Well,
nice room.
the one thing we've noticed is there is some condensation here. They have put some
There's
towels.
some humidity for sure.
And when we walked in, it was humid.
Yeah.
So curious as to how that plays out throughout the night.
But I think it'll be fine.
We got an early call tomorrow morning, so
We do.
we got a lot of things to explore in the
We got
hotel.
Christmas to do tonight.
Yes, not just the hotel to explore,
Yeah,
but it's Christmas.
it is Christmas. Lots of things going on at the Gaylord.
There's a lot of things going on, so
Yeah.
you about ready to go out and explore?
Very cool soon. Yes.
Very cool soon.
Very cool soon.
She says she's going to do work right now.
I have to send a couple emails and then
Well, guess where Doug's going? Out to have fun
see.
without you. Cookies.
cookie. You can't have cookies without me.
Well, they're free.
This sucks.
It says I get a cookie.
Well, yeah, but you can only take one cookie card, not me, not mine.
You don't even know what you're saying.
I don't know.
You're flustered.
Anyway,
All
All
right. Let's go out and explore.
we'll see you out there.